Welcome dear students to today's session of Summit for Maths. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Let's get started. In today's session of Algebra, we are going to see about quadratic polynomial. A polynomial that is expressed in the degree of 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. And a quadratic equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the general form of a quadratic equation is x squared minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. So based on this property of a quadratic equation, we are going to solve few problems in today's session. The first problem we have here is determine the quadratic equations whose sum and product of the roots are given to be minus 9 and 20. So we know that x squared minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. So let us substitute minus 9 in place of sum of roots and 20 in place of product of the roots. So we get x squared plus 9x plus 20 is equal to 0. The next problem is the sum of the roots is minus 3 by 2 and product of the roots is minus 1. X squared minus of minus 3 by 2 into x plus of minus 1 is equal to 0. So we get x squared plus 3 by 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Taking LCM, because we have a fractional coefficient, so the equation reduces to 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. The next problem we have here is find the sum and the product of the roots for each of the following quadratic equation. And the given quadratic equation here is x squared plus 3x minus 28 is equal to 0. Comparing with x squared minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Sum of the roots is minus sum of the root, because we have a minus in the equation, is equal to 3. So alpha plus beta, that is the sum of the root, is equal to minus 3. Product of the root here is minus 28. So alpha into beta is equal to minus 28. So let us consider another problem of a different type. Here we have the variables in the denominator. 3 plus 1 by a is equal to 10 by a squared. So in a polynomial, it's not advisable for a variable to have a negative power. So we bring it to the numerator by taking LCM. So multiplying throughout by a squared, we get 3a squared plus a is equal to 10. In the next step, bringing 10 to the left side, we get the equation as 3a squared plus a plus 10 is equal to 0. Comparing this equation with the general form of equation, that is x squared minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots, we get alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 by 3 and product of the roots is equal to alpha beta is equal to 10 by 3. Hope this session was interesting. Try out these problems for homework and post your answers. For much more, please subscribe to the channel. Use the formula x squared minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Thank you.